Leetcode 290 word pattern. We are given two strings, pattern and s, and we want to output whether s follows the same pattern. Okay, so what exactly does follows mean? Each letter in pattern makes exactly one unique word in s in pattern, and then no two letters map to same word and no two words map to same letter. Okay, let's take a look at an example. So dog maps to A and cat maps to B. So this will return true. Dog maps to A, cat maps to B, but A maps to fish also. So that's false. And then A map to dog, A also map to cat. So that's wrong also. False. Okay. So let's see clarifying questions. Line of pattern. Pattern contains only lowercase. Line of s has space and lowercase, but does it have trailing spaces? Mm, yep. Okay. So it's more than one. Yes. More than one. Yes. All words in S are separated by a single space. Okay. Okay. So uh, one edge case that I can think of is that pattern goes to AB, for example, and then S goes to BC. So this should return false. AB and ABC. So this should return false. Yep. Okay. So solution, split S into words using S split, and then if length of pattern is equals to length of words, then false for each character in pattern if it has not been seen before. Map this character to the corresponding word. Otherwise, check if the previous mapping same as current. Okay. And then if not same, just false. Okay. So time complexity, space. So split operation will take O of S space and O of S. O of S space and O of S time. And then for each character, we'll take P. And then in each iteration, it will do at most W because it will check the whether the previous mapping of the word matches the current word in words. And then space would be P times W also. Yep. Because in the worst case, all characters in the pattern are unique, and all of the words in S are also unique. Okay, I thought of another edge case. A, B, must be. Okay, we should also return source because yeah, A, B, A, B, C, A, B, C. Then first. Yep. So in this case, um, maybe we can have two hash maps, one for letter to word, one for word to letter. So in this case, A is to A, B, C to A, then A, B, C, then A, B, C already inside, so cannot. Okay, so yep, then can do that. So let's do let's split by empty. Then onwards, return false. So we have letter. Have two dictionaries, and then since they are the same length, right? So letter equals times numeric. Okay, so equals to of I. So if letter if letter in letter two, letter might already be in. Okay, so if not, then um, okay, and then so this is the one whereby you have A, B, and then it's not letter, it's not number. Okay, and then yeah, in, in okay, then let's run through some test cases. Okay. Okay, then I equals to 0. Letter A. Is A inside? No. What? Also not inside? Okay, so then map A to dot A. Okay. B. Okay. B. Okay. And then index 2 B is cat if letter to word if letter is already inside. So and then the word is the same. What is the same letter? Okay. I think we do yes. Yeah, I think we don't have always have to do this if letter. No. Okay, and then 3 dot mm, is to dot is to A, correct? Then okay, and then let's double check this. Is to dot is to A. It's already wrong. Previous test case. Okay. And then letter equals to B. So letter is not inside. But word, if word is inside, then not equal to letter, it returns false. Okay. Let's take a quick look through the syntax to make sure we didn't make any syntax errors. Words equal as dot speed. If length of word is also length of pattern, return false. Letter to word, word to letter. Okay. For I letter in numeric pattern, word equals to words of I. If letter inside and then the corresponding mapping is not the same as the current one. Then return false if word in letter and word to letter. Okay. If letter not inside, then update. If letter not inside, then update. What nice. It should be correct. Okay, let's submit to see whether it passes. Okay,